Good morning students. I am Vetrichevi from Chemistry Simplified Tamil. Okay, நான் நீ ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஜஸ்ட் இப்போ வந்து நீங்கள் எப்படி பிளான் பண்ணுறீங்கன்னா ஒரு மந்த்துக்கு கெமிஸ்ட்ரியில் 30 லெசன்னா இன்னும் ஒரு 6 மாதம் இருக்குது. நான் தட் இஸ் நவம்பர், டிசம்பர், ஜனவரி, ஃபெப்ரவரி. ஸோ இந்த 4 பை ஃபெப்ரவரி எண்டுக்குள்ளே நீங்கள் எல்லா போர்ஷன்ஸையும் முடிக்கிற மாதிரி பார்த்துக்கோ. ஓகேவா? ஸோ பெர் மந்த் வந்து ஒரு எவ்வளோ லெசன்ஸ் 4 here is 8 lesson 8 na potter, so 7 to 8 lesson per month. So per month அப்படினா per week வந்து ஒரு lesson small lessons படிக்கிற மாதிரி plan பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Now let us go to the sum. இன்னைக்கு நான் என்ன போட்டுருக்கேன் அப்படினா Gelder's methodல நான் போட்டுருக்கேன். Yes, let us see the first one. The sample of the 0.5 gram of the organic compound was treated according to the Gelder's method. எவ்வளவு எடுக்கிறோம்? 0.5 gram of the organic compound treated. Ammonia was evolved observed in 50 ml of 0.5 m sulfuric acid. இப்போ நீங்க கவனிக்க வேண்டியது Gelder's methodல எவ்வளவு sulfuric acid, initial volume and molarity. So இதை வந்து நீங்க கவனமாக கவனிக்கணும். அடுத்தது இதை நல்லா கவனிக்கணும். The remaining acid after neutralization by ammonia consumed by them 80 ml of 0.5 m sodium hydroxide. So it is neutralized by the base. Its volume is important, its normality is important. Then question is calculate the percentage of nitrogen. Okay, now let us see. The first one is the weight of organic compound is given. It is the 0.5 gram. And here you are provided with the two volumes are there. One is initial volume of the acid. Another is the volume of the sodium hydroxide which is utilized. So what is this here formula is to find out the percentage of nitrogen is equal to 1.4 into V1N1 divided by weight of organic compound. This is the final formula we are using as a tip, not a real formula. It is a simplified formula. So for some this is enough of course. So what is V1? Volume of the acid consumed. So what is V1 is volume of acid used. What is N1 is normality of the acid which is used, which is in the kept in the conical flask to absorb the ammonia. That one only we have to substitute. Here what is given is in this one they have given the collection of the ammonia in the conical flask with the amount of 0.5 m molarity and its volume is 50 ml. Ammonia is coming and reacting. So after reaction it left the free acid. So initially 50 ml. What is the find out the free acid? The difference is the amount of the acid consumed. Here what is given in remaining acid after neutralization by ammonia consumed. So this free acid consumed. So what is the knowledge is here you are having sodium hydroxide. Please listen children, it is the butyl. Here what you are keeping is the sodium hydroxide and this one, the same conical flask you are shifting, and what is this is having volume of free acid you want to calculate. The mixture is there, free acid is there. Okay, what is the simple knowledge is V1N1 is equal to what is the volume of sodium hydroxide? You can write here. It is 80 mm and its molarity is 0.5 m. This is where sodium hydroxide. And what about this one is the volume of free acid. What do you want? And its molarity is here it is given as a 0.5 m. So from this combination we can go with our volumetric principle. Now I am repeating how you can calculate. Now this is the conical flask where you collected the ammonia and that conical flask is titrated with the this one is they are calling as a back titration. Okay, titrated with the sodium hydroxide in the butyl. 80 ml is consumed, its molarity. And here one free acid is the its molarity. So now let us go with what is called the volumetric principle. From that we can calculate the volume of free acid. Now what I am doing is the volume of free acid I am calculating. What is the volumetric principle? V1N1 is equal to V2N2. Instead of that, you can write V1 M1 and N factor of 1 is equal to V2 M2 N factor of 2. Suppose you take this is as in This is the base. Now let us substitute one by one. What is this one? This is the volume of free acid is into molarity of. Now let me clean this one because I need a lengthy formula to substitute. Now let us go to the formula. What is the volume of free acid? It is required into molarity of the acid. That is the molarity of the acid. The conical flask you have taken, which is having molarity 0.1, and then it is the sulfuric acid. Acid taken is H2SO4. Then is N factor. N factor means number of irreplaceable hydrogen. It is also the 2. Now I am talking about sulfuric acid. Sometimes they may give hydrochloric acid, means there you should put 1. So that the students will do the mistake. So take the find out the acid and write the N factor. Now what I have written is only for acid. Now let us go to the base. So how much of base is consumed is 80 ml into the molarity of the base is 0.1. N factor of bases you are 1 because it is a sodium hydroxide. Regarding the base, N factor is number of replaceable water. So everything is there. Simply you can cancel this one. And here, now what you are getting is 40. What is 40 is volume of free acid is 40. Okay, what is the volume of initial acid? Volume of initial is equal to 50 ml. Here it is written. And then volume of free acid is equal to volume of free acid is equal to 40. So what is the difference? This is the volume of acid consumed. Consumed is utilized. So what is the volume of acid utilized? 10 is the volume of hydrolyzed utilized. So this is the first stage to calculate the volume of the acid used. Now let us go to the, this is given in the 10 ml and currently right here. Okay. Now let us find this problem. Yes, this chain. Wait children, 1 minute. Yes. Now here let us go. 1.4 into volume of the acid consumed into normality. What is normality? Is equal to molarity into N factor. So molarity of the acid is 0.5. It is given. What is the N factor? Is the 2 divided by what is the weight of organic compound? You can see children. It is 0.5. Getting cancelled. Now here it is